In this video, we got a few proof payments that have just come in, and I want to show you what we've got. Just incredible. I had some payments come in today, and want to share them with you and share with you my journey in the $200 day cash daily system and the profit of $1,000 a day for life. And we're also going to look at the print and mail service that we've got. So we've got some great things going on. Walk you around, share with you just for a few minutes. So stay tuned. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey, folks. Tim Thomas here. I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. We've got a chance to exponentially grow our incomes beyond our wildest imagination. We've had a payment came in for the Crazy Cash Flyer also, and we're going to go from there. But before we get started, guys, go ahead and like the video. I would really appreciate it. Like the video. It would help in the ranking of this video. Consider subscribing to the channel. The channel's about money-making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. We're on a journey to financial freedom, guys. Could not be more excited. And I want to talk about all these systems that we've got. They're systems of duplication. Systems of duplications. People fail, but when you have a system that anybody can plug into, it can be 100% duplicatable. My sponsor, Jose Green, talks about duplication, duplication, duplication. That's our message for 23, 24, 25. Duplicatable systems that anybody can plug in and find success. And that's what we've got here. Check out the channel, guys. I've got different things. What I do got, folks, I like to, when I say guys, I mean guys and gals. And what I like to do, I like to market big ticket opportunities on the front side, and on the back end, we build the residual income programs like the supplement grids and any other residual program that I am currently in. The supplement grid, the M80s, and even Live Good. These are the programs that we're in. We're building the residual income of our dreams. I want to show you these payments that have come in for the Crazy Cash Flyer and the one for the $1,000 cash daily flyer. These flyers are incredible, folks. And working home has never been this good. Before we dive into the nuts and bolts of these programs, guys, I want to share with you, when you get a chance, if you need some traffic to your site, I highly recommend classified ads promotion. Matt and his team will promote your ad to thousands of pages each and every month. And it is incredible what they're doing. Click the link below. Listen to this video, guys, 2 to 3 times and see the benefits of having your ad put on thousands of classified ads over and over and over again each and every month, folks. This is a license to help print money. Now, we're going to talk about some income as what we feel that you can make in some of these programs. Income disclaimer, folks. In this life, nothing's going to happen until you take action and do a lot of it. But the sky's the limit. I could not be more excited. If you need some labels, some more leads, this is traffic is a lifeblood of our business. Your job in any of these programs is not to try to explain. Your job is not to try to tell, not to sell. You are in the lead generation business, period. That's your job, is to generate leads on a daily basis. When you generate enough leads every day, forever, for as long as you shall live, if you generate leads, folks, as often as you can, that right there can help you create beyond a full-time income. You're in the business of generating leads. Set the system up, take a few minutes, and generate leads. Direct mail, classified ads, and solo ads. I'm not going to talk about solo ads in this video, but we're going to keep going. Great things are happening. The Crazy Cash Flyer, guys, I've got a ton of videos on my YouTube channel here. You can go to playlist, and any of these programs, you can look up the Crazy Cash. You can look up the $200 cash solution flyer. Any of these flyers, guys, is in a playlist, and we'll go from there, and you can see a ton of videos. But let's get into it real quick. Here is a payment that came in for the Crazy the Crazy Cash Flyer. I want to welcome Jack to the program. And let me cover Jack's personal information. Jack has sent us a payment for $450. 400, if you could see it, 450. 100 goes to the monitor, and you're off to the races. Jack will get his product from the monitor. The product is the way this thing works. You're going to get 300 buyer leads, Jack. If you're watching the video, you're going to get 300 forever stamps, hot tips and tricks to get sales fast, and the owner can close sales for you. So, and you're going to get a beautiful flyer that looks just like that, folks. The Crazy Cash Flyer is on fire. Want to invite you to come along for the ride. We've got another one here, guys, for the 200 cash daily. The 200 cash daily, folks. The massive leverage duplication of this system is incredible. It is the average person's opportunity now. You can become, folks, great as the Rockefellers, a Chase, a Morgan, a Vanderbilt. Now the playing field has been leveled for the average ordinary people to plug in duplicatable systems. That's what we've got. We've got systems that anybody can do. They're duplicatable. Anybody can mail a flyer. Anybody can mail a postcard. Duplicatable systems, and share them with others that you bring in. Folks, this is exciting. Here's another flyer. I want to welcome Phil Enterprises to the program. Phil is joining, and he's got it taped up extremely well. Tell you what, guys, I'm going to do. I'll cut this one with the scissor. If you allow me to cut this one with the scissors, I'll open it up like this. It's a lot of tape on there. And let's see. Hang on tight. This is hot out the press, guys. And here we go. Welcome Phil to the program. I'm going to cover up his information, but this is the $200 profit a day flyer that you see on the screen. And as you can see, guys, this money order purchased it on just a few days ago for $200. $200 money order, folks. And this is happening on a daily basis. Folks, I'm telling you what, the key to success is market these big ticket programs on the front side, and then you come over and you find a residual program, again, like the supplement grid on the back end. And folks, it is just exciting. Just exciting to plug in like this. So you make those big upfront and then take that money there and again, get your marketing and buy your marketing for the supplement grid. Okay, guys, and how the supplement grid works, it's just so simple. You mail this one-page flyer and start receiving unlimited $200 payments down through 3 levels, folks. Your name's going to go in number 1 position. When you sign up somebody, you go to number 2. When they sign up somebody, you go to number 3. Number 1, 2, and 3, you will always be in the permanent pay positions. That is incredible. This is the power of a team leverage. Built in this flyer is incredible. The duplication, the leverage. You're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. Folks, as they start mailing their flyers, you're going to get those $200 leverage override payments. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. Could not be more excited. The way to get started, send $200 to each person, a $100 payment to the monitor of the program, and you're off to the races. It's just that simple, guys. The product kit, you're going to get a marketing kit. The marketing kit's going to have resources, tools, how to make thousands a week in mail order. You're going to also get leads that you can use for this program and other programs. Absolutely astounding. Could not say more good things about $200 cash daily flyer. Also, the Crazy Cash Flyer is incredible, guys. Absolutely powerful. $450 to join. You mail this one-page flyer. When people see it, they're going to send $450. Once you receive the payment, guys, you're going to send $100 to the monitor on behalf of your new member, their information. You're just going to forward that to the monitor, the $100, and you're off to the races. And guys, you can start collecting those $450 payments on a daily basis as possible with this flyer. So, again, the product package is going to be 300 forever stamps. It's going to be tricks on how to get tips and tricks on how to get to promoting your flyer. And they got an optional mailing service for you. Exciting times. And guys, our recommended mailing list is Wilson's List. If you need some leads on pill and stick labels, I would recommend that you get some leads from Wilson's List. These are some of the best in the business. Link will be below the video. Well, folks, that's my time for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's make this year an incredible year. Let's share this information out with other people. Let's help change people's lives one day and one person at a time. All right, folks, financial freedom is right around the corner for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.